Yo, boys, take a look at this this fucking crocodile that I built. Or me and my girlfriend built it. But isn't this sick? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I think he should be the new mascot on the channel. He's on my computer. And I think he looks cool. He's got a bird in his mouth. Look at that. But what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome on back to the channel. It's your boy, Jerzy, with the Jerzy verse. I told you we'd use it. Let me know what you think. In today's video, we have some innovative projects. Yeah, not just your normal NFT upcoming projects, but some more innovative ones with a bunch of hype behind them and actual utility. We've got demons and gods, we've got high skeletons, and we've got some robots that like to make money. Top of all that, I also have some whitelist in today's video, so shouts out to the teams for the collaboration there. And this is not financial advice. I'm a dude on the internet building Legos, looking at NFTs, drinking coffee, and I have a severe caffeine addiction. If you guys are new around here, we're on the road to 25k subs now, so please do yourself a favor and do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff over there, and let's jump into today's video on some Solana NFT projects upcoming that look fucking sick. Hey, really quickly, I am giving away 3 of my whale Patreon rolls at a $10 value to 3 comments down below that tell me why you want to win it. Sorry for the little interruption. I know the intro is long. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. And all you got to do is leave a like, leave a comment why you want to win it, and subscribe to the channel with notifications on. Also, check out my Twitter. So I told you there's some robots that like to make money, and Reels of Change is coming to the Solana ecosystem with multi-utility NFT-based games that are on the play-to-earn model that have some actual skill-based gambling effect to them. Real quick, because I want to show you guys some content, we do have a couple of sneak peeks over on their Twitter with some actual gameplay, which by far looks insane. Like, we have your standard dice flip, your coin toss, all this stuff out there like that. But we have an actual 3D game with a working model that I'm going to show you gameplay here in a second that just looks super good. Not only that, but this project has some nice looking artwork as well. It's not your standard little dice or a coin with a little face on it. These are actual PFPs that you can use, and they're working on 3D models as well for their game. Like I said, this is a PFP I would rock, and I love that they're actually going for more of the art direction as well as a beautiful casino, multi-use, multi-utility, skill-based games as well. So when it comes down to owning one of these NFTs and being a part of this project, there's going to be the pay-to-play options, and there's going to be the play-to-earn models as well behind this project. You'll be able to earn money by playing the games on this project, and there's also a redeemable rakeback on pay-to-play modes as well. And this project is also working on adding in airdrops to people that hold 2 or more Genesis NFTs. There is going to be a 3D NFT airdrop that will come in here, which will be set into the metaverse where you can use it in any metaverse that you want to. And there will also be some sort of profit sharing benefits behind this with licensing deals with other online casinos. And yes, I do have a sneak peek of the game. I have the playable demo, which you guys don't have yet. It'll be coming to the public sometime soon, but I have it right now, so I'm going to show you guys what's good. And this is going to be the make it or break it. Essentially, kind of like a coin flip where it is a 50-50 chance, but you're able to cash out whenever you want to and reap the rewards of where you are throughout the game. So if I place a wager of $69, we bet that up. I have full access of my character. I can go ahead and run around. I can jump. And my main purpose is to get past these tiles, kind of like Squid Game, but you're putting up money in the very beginning. So if I jump on this one and we died. All right, let's do another $69. Let's go left again. I'm feeling left. Oh, okay, fuck. $69. All right, let's go again. Left. Okay, we died. What the fuck, man? I'm getting unlucky, dude. All right, let's go right. Right's gotta be. It was left. All right, left it is. Okay, nice. So there, we can actually go ahead and cash out $135 right now. That's the 2x you're looking for. Or you can go for a little bit more. So let's go left again. Fuck. Nice. Let's go left again. Now, okay, so now we can cash out for $267, which I'm gonna go again. Oh, we can cash out for $529. So we essentially just we like over 5 extra money. It's gonna be right though. It's gonna be right. Fuck. You want to win whitelist to Reels of Change and you want to get invite to their private Discord? Well, the giveaways in the Patreon. Also leave a like and tell me why you want to win this, and of course go check it out for yourself. But yeah, we're giving some away. Shouts out to the team for the collaboration. Much love. So that is essentially how the game will work. You'll put up a bet, you'll be going through the system, you'll be able to cash out your money when you want to, and this can be very addictive, so be careful and, you know, make sure you're not, just be safe. But I mean, with a demo like that already out, I think it looks so promising that they have an actual demo and a model of their game you can actually go ahead and play. You can take a look at. The sneak peeks they're providing us are awesome as well, and I really love the artwork behind this project, and they are aiming for that more PvP or game-based, you know, skill level of games, because they are rolling out other games in the future behind utility behind them, multi-use, and again, strategic PvP aspect of gaming. I definitely think this is something we needed on Solana, with this sort of gambling gaming aspect to it, as well as a dope PFP. And it's something a little bit more immersive that they do plan on rolling out to other casinos for more royalty and kickbacks to their holders, and overall creating a nice community over there and a founded DAO as well. But yo, I've got 15 whitelist spots as well in the Patreon down below, so go check it out if you want to. And let me know your thoughts on this project. A Web3 incubator platform backed by an NFT project with a 50% revenue share system, a fully doxed team of 3 digital agency founders, dope looking artwork, and a very fat roadmap. The Godz of Solaria. This is minting on March 30th at 7 p.m. UTC. And the cool thing about this is that it's already a well-established project over on Magic Eden. As you can see, a floor price of 2.9 Solana with a very thin floor price at the moment as well, and some very cool looking artwork. This is the world's first DAO operated NFT incubator, launchpad, and gaming platform on Solana. And very quickly, if you guys want to win some whitelist to this NFT launch, it's going to be in the Patreon down below. And again, like today's video, comment down below why you want to win it and what you think about the project. So this project does have the intentions of being an incubator platform, and they already have 30 plus incubator applications for their platform, and it's not even minted yet, which is super crazy to see that people are already banking on this project to use their platform for exposure and overall their entire progress. So there was a mint of 888 Godz, and the Godz token generation did take place, and this was at a 0.5 Solana mint price, and then the main sale is going to be a collection size of 4,112, making this a total of 5k. They do have a couple other sneak peeks here as well, being a website 2.0, community rewards distributed, 10 plus new projects launched via their incubator, a DAO treasury funded, the Godz Hall of Fame, trees planted for the Garden of Eden, launch of the Godz expansion collection, and then the beginning of the game platform development. So when it comes down to the alpha behind the Godz mint, it's going to be a working Web3 incubator and game platform with 50% revenue sharing. They are scoping out their games with the studio behind titles like Angry Birds with over 1.5 billion downloads, a fully doxed team, full stack dev creative director, 15 plus years in the gaming industry veteran, marketing director, animator, and founder of national tech firm. And then the launch of the incubator platform will happen with already 30 plus applications, so 30 plus projects, and the Godz DAO will help assess the incubator project, provide feedback, and offer grants up to $10,000. A little bit more behind that grant giveaway. It is going to be $10,000. It's going to be to kickstart a launch on the Godz incubator across marketing, branding, tokenomics, consulting, and development behind the project you are bringing to the table. There's also going to be a token airdrop behind their Myth token every single day to the holders, which will be used for minting new projects from the incubator for free, participation in DAO vote progress, exchange Myth for merchandise and other collectibles and online services, and a chance at getting a free Demons NFT, which gives 50% revenue share royalties back. I do think some of the sneak peeks they are putting in their Discord do look pretty fucking fire. I do love the artwork and direction of this NFT as well, and I think it just looks super duper sick. This guy's in the thumbnail, give him a like. Overall, with the roadmap and what they're doing, I do think this is super promising. Here's a visualized roadmap as well, and they have a lot of plans and a lot of work behind this project. Age-restricted lore. Uh-oh, what's in here? What the fuck is... I think there is quite a bit of promise and effort behind this project. Website looks dope. The artwork looks pretty dope as well. And I've said dope quite a few times. So if you guys want to win some whitelist, it's going to be down below in the Patreon. And shouts out to the team for the collaboration. I think this looks fucking sick though. Let me know your thoughts, and let's go to the next project. It comes down to a project you're looking for: hype, a strong community, dope looking artwork, and utility. And you know what? This skeleton project that likes to smoke weed has all of that. And yes, indeedy, the Tombstoned High Society is coming at you with some stone skeletons that can earn the joints token to have a role in the metaverse as well. These are coming at you in 4 days and 20 hours from recording this video, which is going to be on March 31st. So what's behind the Tombstoned High Society? They do a little bit of a play on words there with the High Society, as these are stoned skeletons. And before we go any further, I do want to show you guys some of the artwork that this project does have to offer, because I think it is sick. Like, by far, one of my favorites at the moment. These are up there with the Stoned Ape DeGod styled artwork, and I love it so much. If I can get one of these legendaries on mint, I would absolutely die for it, and I will have this as my PFP. So no, I think these things look absolutely incredible. I love the style they're going for. I love how the entire community is ran as well and what they're doing here. They have a bunch of sneak peeks and a bunch of previews behind their actual project, and they even have a Frank DeGod's one of one they made for him, which is super fucking killer. On top of that, this is a closed Discord, a very stealthy community that has gained a lot of hype and a lot of potential behind it, purely based on what the community has to offer. Growing strong, guys. Hella engagement over on Twitter as well. The boy Grisha made a video on them today, which is super solid. Go give it a watch. And I think everything that they're doing with their roadmap and their overall artwork and community is something that we need in the Solana ecosystem, because this is built on purely a roadmap, art, and community, which makes it so much nicer than this your random open up projects. Phase 1 is going to be the pre-mint with their one-of-one auctions and setting up on the Magic Eden launchpad. Phase 2 is going to be the mint of 6,666 stoned skeletons that are rising through the metaverse on the Solana blockchain. With phase 3 being the post-mint, they're going to be on secondary on Magic Eden, royalties at 7.5%, and they are putting some of this back into distribution behind their DAO, skeleton holders, and then the other percentages go towards the team and the artists. Phase 4 is where things get interesting with their joints token, where you guys can stake these, earn the tokenomics behind it, and then use this throughout their project down the line. Phase 5, they hop into community donations and overall making the community a lot stronger with showing them what they're doing with the funds and how they're proceeding with actions behind the project and the community. Phase 6 is where things get even more interesting, because they are aiming at becoming a dispensary for marijuana products and some CBD products, as these things are becoming somewhat of a meta in the Solana space. We see a bunch of CBD and marijuana projects popping up. Baked Bots, Stoned Ape Crew's been around for a while. We got Best Buds, we got Bong Heads. There's a lot going on, but they do want to make their own strain of marijuana and have that dispensarized, is that even a word, out to users. I mean, nah, man, this community is super strong. Private Discord at the moment. I did give away some whitelist in my Patreon down below a week ago now, I want to say, so that was super dope. They reached out to me for that. Not a sponsorship or anything like that. I just fucking love this. I think these look absolutely insane, and I think the community behind this will flourish this project to the moon. It's just one of those good vibey projects with dope artwork and a dope ran community, DAO, and overall roadmap. This is so fucking clean. Is this fan art? Yeah, this is fan art, and which is I can't talk. This just looks so dope, dude. Is this fan art as well, or is this real? Oh, this is so clean, bro. I would definitely love to see your opinions on this project as well. What you think about the artwork, what you think about the private Discord and the community, how they're building this, how they're distributing it out to the public, and overall how fast this thing can sell out. I believe there's 4,500 whitelisted at the moment, and there's around 6,666 total. So we'll see how public transitions over and how fast this thing actually moves. Yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. Hey yo, welcome to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it all the way, let me know down below. I do want to see people that watch all the way through. It helps me with the watch time, and I really do appreciate it. On top of that, let me know your thoughts on these projects down below. Some upcoming mints. We got utility, we got dope looking artwork, and overall, I think these look sick. So hey, have a great day. Thanks for stopping by on the road to 25K subs. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. What was that?